So now that we have our page up and running, the next thing we have to do is do traffic. So what we did in order to get some traffic was we actually ran a promotion for $1 a day, just promoting the page itself. So what this will do is it'll open up the actual promotion. It's targeted based on who we know is going to like the page based on the research that we did earlier. And then from there, it's going to run for 28 days. It's going to cost us approximately $28. And it's going to be approximately 1 to 3 likes a day. It's not so much the likes that we care about because they're vanity likes, but it's what's going to help get this page off the ground with shares. So we also went ahead and did the maximum amount of invites from our personal account to invite friends to like our page, which is great, right? So we already have 29 new likes, and we're already getting engagement from fans, which is fantastic. That's what's going to allow us to use our algorithm and really drill down and figure out what to post and when after we have all of these things set up and done and running for a week, so that we can really get some analytics and get an idea about what's going to work best for this particular audience. The other thing we did was, because we know people don't always get notification on page posts, is we put an advertisement for our Facebook group and we pin that to the top of the page. So that's another strategy that you can use. Now, for the last thing about traffic generation, we're going to talk a little bit about cross promotion. The first page we're going to cross promote this on is our Valkeryie page. And the way that we're going to do this is by creating a milestone. So here's how we're going to do that. We're going to go up here to this menu, and then we're going to hit Create Milestone. And we're going to say Launched Vine Enthusiast Facebook Page and Campaign. We launched the Vine Enthusiast Facebook Page and Facebook Management and Ad Campaign. We are excited to see where this page goes. Then what we're going to do is go steal the link from the Vine Enthusiast. We're going to put that here. We're going to upload a photo. And the one we're going to use will be the one that we created for the timeline cover photo earlier, because we want to make sure that our brand for this page is up and running. So here you go. And then all you have to do there is save it. Okay? So from here, we're going to do something else for cross promotion. We're going to do a status update. So we know we're using a good hashtag, right? We're also going to add this photo again. Then what we're going to do is check into our business, because cross promotion wouldn't be any good without it. Now we're going to choose the preferred audience for this post. Now, instead of choosing the typical audience for social media management or marketing or anything like that, what we're going to do is actually get 16 different suggestions based on people who already like different interests and pages related to wine, because this is actually going to show up in their newsfeed, and when it does, they're more likely to see this post. So it's a great way to cross promote both the Vine Enthusiast and one page. We're going to do this with a couple other pages too. So now that we've done this, we've gotten all of the different interests that we want to target, And from here, we're going to schedule this post based on what we know works for this page. So what we're going to do is schedule this for tomorrow at 3:20. And there you have it. So now it's going to be shown to those people tomorrow that work best for this page. But we're not going to stop there, because cross promotion really only works if you do a lot of it. So let's do this again. On my public figure page, we're also going to do a little cross promotion. And here's how we're going to do this. I'm going to go and snag this link again. We're going to paste it. Now on a public figure page, as you can see, you can't do targeting based on interest because you already automatically get more exposure. But we're going to schedule this for when we know this works for this page because we've looked at our analytics, and we're going to schedule that post as well. Now we're going to do this a couple more times because again, cross promotion matters. So we're going to look at a few other pages that this is relevant for. We'll go over to penny pinchers. And what we're going to do here is say, please go and like our friends over at the Wine Enthusiast. And we're going to add a photo to this. Then we're going to choose our preferred audience, and we're going to do a lot the same thing here. We're going to choose 16 different interest groups, and we're going to change it up a little bit from the last one we did, and the reason we're going to do that is because we want to see what works the absolute best. So when we do this, people who are interested in these things will be more inclined to see this post in their feed when it goes out. And simply get to our 16, save it, schedule it, and there you go. So now this is also scheduled to cross promote. But we're still not done. We did the same thing again, promoting on another page with a hashtag, targeting to very specific audience interests, and then we're going to go ahead and schedule this for when we know that this works on this page. And that post is now scheduled. So now we've officially and effectively cross-promoted this on a bunch of different pages, and let's see if that's made any difference on the page right now. So far so good, 32 new likes just based on the momentum that we've created. So what we have to do now is let this page percolate for a little bit and work on some other things. But the great thing is we've already begun building an audience, we're already getting some engagement, and it only gets better from here. So keep following us so that you can watch the progress of this and other pages and campaigns as we continue to build businesses all around the world. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. See you later.